A Russian court sentenced the St. Petersburg artist to 7 years in prison at a hearing, which emphasized serious penalties against ordinary Russians, even for a small civilian protest actions against the occupation of Ukraine. Alexandra is Sasha, an artist, musician and activist. Skochelenko, on Thursday in March 2022, deliberately spreading false information about the Russian army, was found guilty. Putin has been lying from television screens for 20 years. Result of these lies. We are ready to justify war and meaningless deaths. Read one of modified price labels that prosecutors declared dangerously for Russian society and state. The Russian army at an art school in Mariupol. 400 people were hiding inside, he said. Skochelenko is one of the hundreds of Russians who faced criminal charges against the war. 100 Russians was accused the spread fake information about army that was hurried after Vladimir Putin's full-scale Ukraine invaded in February 2022. The law is sentenced to a maximum 10 years imprisonment. Among other people, opposition politicians, activists and journalists are included. The laws had a creepy influence on the protest in Russia, where opposition demonstrations against war almost disappeared. If he thinks that our state and public security can be reduced by 5 small paper, how fragile the prosecutor's belief in our state and society should be. 33-year-old Skochelenko said in the last statement in court on Thursday. Or I am not afraid to be different from others. Dozens of supporters shame. He read the sentence in the case as a judge. Skochelenko, who was declared a political prisoner by the Russian human rights group Monument, fought with health problems during the pre-19-month period. He suffered from celiac disease requiring a gluten-free diet, bipolar disorder and heart condition. Skochelenko was arrested after a 76-year-old shopping person, who spying for security services compared to the Soviet period application of ordinary citizens. In an interview with the Russian website Bump, the woman advocated her decision to complain, but admitted that her 8-year imprisonment could be very harsh.